It is almost finished. I think we're almost at 90% finished of the house. We just need to paint the back, work with the terrace and the toilet, and that's it. Well, there's a lot of things I need to buy and I'm so broke. Hey everyone, meljeansolon here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to give you guys another update, another progress of the Simple Province house here. We are almost finished, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick little update about what has been done. It's actually on the outside, so we're gonna try to turn around in the house so you guys can see it. So let's go over here. It is actually so hot today, so please bear with us. It is about 10 a.m. but it's already so hot. Anyway, so the very first update that we have, if you guys can remember on the last video, this area over here was still hollow blocks, and if you guys can see, we've already smoothed it out. We call it finishing here in Bisaya, but yeah, we've already smoothed it out. So that's how it's currently looking. It already like matches the hardy flex that we have, so all we have to do is just to really paint it and they will really blend in together. So this one over here, and then also smoothing it out as well. Again, this part I had it concrete. It's because this is where the kitchen is, and we have the countertop in this side as well. That's how it's looking. We just really need to paint it, and then we are gonna go on this side over here. It is really hot, you guys. This is the toilet area, so the toilet is also concrete, so that's why you guys can see that you can no longer see hollow blocks, but we have hollow blocks down here. But the most important thing is here we've already smoothed it out as well. Now we go on this last toilet area as well. So as you guys can see, it's already has been smoothed out, so that's how it's looking. And yeah, this is one of the main things that has been finished on the house. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to get inside because we've already started the painting of the house. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you. Come on. It is really bright day today, and by the way, my videographer for this is Razel, my best friend, so she's holding the camera because Tom is still in the city because we had a problem with the motorbike. The two tires were flat, so he cannot come here. It's crazy. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to get inside over here. I have shared it to you guys last time as well that we've finished the window. We put these blinds. I have shared it to you last time that there was a gap over here. That's actually allocated for this like wood. We need to have like a wood to stop the rain from coming in, so that's why we have a stopper over here. So it has been finished already as well. This is how the house is currently looking right now. As you guys can see, we've already finished the ceiling, so it's totally white now. By the way, I want to share that the first thing that we actually did in the ceiling, since we use gypsum board, we had to do is skim coating first so that the gaps between two boards will be cannot be seen. So yeah, we did a skim coating, and that's what he is currently working on right now actually. So as you guys can see, on this side over here we are putting some skim coating. That's actually not paint, that's like the skim coat. It's like a very thin cement like powder. So yeah, that's what he did. And then after he did the skim coating for everything, that's where he is going to start with the painting. So pretty much currently over here as well, on the kitchen. So yeah, this is what I was talking about, by the way, guys. So that's how it's looking like, the skim coating. We are going to check the room over here. Okay, the room is here. Okay, so that's the room, and yeah, we finished the ceiling as well, and I think he still has to do the skim coating here inside as well, and then he is gonna do the painting. So we still have about 5 working days so that we will be able to move in here. We still have 2 more days to finish the painting, and then after that we proceed to putting the tiles, installing the tiles. And then once we install the tiles already, we can already start moving in here. The reason why I wanted to already move in here because there was a recent news that the city, Cebu City, will be back in lockdown, which is really bad. I don't really want to get stuck in the city anymore because it's very expensive. We had to order food every day and we cannot go out, but you know, once we are already here, we can just pretty much like live our life like normally because, you know, we are in the countryside, we are far from everyone, and yeah, which is good. We can definitely cook here, whatever food we have, and we have Razzle. She got a lot of vegetables, so we can just get vegetable from her, and we can cook some healthy food, you know what I mean? Not like in the city, we had to order McDonald's and Jollibee and all this really bad food, you know, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to moving in here. And by the way, I think we already have a date for the house blessing / housewarming. So hopefully that will happen soon, not until the government decides to like put the city in a lockdown, because I think they're trying to really put the borders again, which is really bad. So it's crazy, but yeah, I just really wanna get this finished. By the way, guys, I let the builder work on the inside so that we can already move in here. The outside is not, I will not have it painted yet. I just want the inside to be finished so that we can already put our stuff in here, because I did not pay my rent anymore in my apartment. I will go ahead and give you guys another update later on. Alright guys, hello, I am back. It's been, I cannot count anymore. It's been a few days since I continued this video because we have been so busy preparing everything for this house to be finished. Tomorrow is going to be the house blessing. So I am really so busy. But anyway, I wanted to give you guys a quick little tour of the current progress of the house. So we are here right now. There's been actually a big progress of the house. So yeah, come on, let's go ahead and get inside. So as you guys can see on the floor, we already have the tiles on. So that's how it's looking. This was actually being put yesterday, so that's why you can see that there are still some what do you call this? I don't know what you call that, but like something between. But the tiles is not totally finished yet because we still need to put the tile grout in the middle of each. If you guys want to watch, by the way, we've already slept here, me and Tom. Our first night here, we vlogged it, and if you guys want to watch that, it's in Tom and Meljean's YouTube channel, so go and check it out if you're interested. But yeah, this is the biggest progress of the house. It's the tiles. The living area down to here in the kitchen, it has been finished as well. And on this like service area over here, it has been finished, and we already have, by the way, the door for the toilet. Though the toilet, nothing has been done in there, so we don't need to get inside. And also the tiles here. So this is our countertop. We already put the tiles as well. Now this tiles is just actually like plain white tiles. This is 30 by 30, and yeah, this is how it's looking. Actually, it's not totally finished yet as well because we need to put something in between of those tiles. And we have here the sink. This is the sink that I got from Cebu Home Builders as well. It's not being attached yet, I think so. Yeah, I think it's not. But we have here like the pumping and everything going on. As you guys can see, under there is a hole that will be for the PVC pipe. So here we just pretty much smoothen it out. I think we need to actually put tiles over here as well, so it would look nice. So yeah, this is how it's looking. So actually, before, when we did not put the tiles yet, it feels like I'm so short, I'm so small for this countertop. But actually right now, it's okay for me. Gave me more height so that I can reach the countertop. So it's not too overwhelming. I can already like cook here, and I wouldn't have a hard time like trying to reach like the window, and well, that part over there I cannot. As you guys can see, we've already finished painting everything. The inside, which starts with the ceiling, so the ceiling has been finished. And then of course the wall and the inside as well, it has been finished. Now the painting on the outside, it has not been finished yet, and the reason for that is because I decided to really prioritize the inside so that I can already use it, I can already live in it. Now we're gonna go to the room. It's over here. By the way, another update for the door, we already have the door lock, so this is how it's looking right now, though I was not able to buy the handle so it is quite hard for me to lock it, but I'll just like do it like this, like pull it like that, but it's quite hard. So we have this door lock. This is not your typical door lock. This is a deadbolt, and I like this because it is very sturdy. It's not something that can easily broken, like, you know, you can use a cord to just like do it like that. We got 3 of these, so front door, the room, and the back door has this kind of lock, the deadbolt. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get inside. I'm gonna turn off the lights. It's getting hotter in here. Okay, so now we are inside. Let me just turn on the lights. Hold on. Okay, so now we are in the inside, and as you guys can see, Tom is here. He's relaxing. We have here the sofa set. These sofa sets, I got it in Metro Colon. I got 2. Well, it's actually a set. I got it for about 11,000 peso. It was on sale, so I grabbed it directly. I love the color of it. It's neutral, it's brown, and it comes with these 4 big pillows, and I really love it. Actually, guys, oh my gosh, life is comfortable here. Yes, so I really love this. In the meantime, I decided to just put it here for now in the room because he was working on the tiles yesterday, and you know, we were not allowed to actually step on it yesterday because it was still soft, but right now we can already do it. So maybe by tomorrow, once the house blessing will be in place, then we are going to move this there. But actually, I felt like it is so nice to actually have this here in the room. Honestly, I was not expecting that this room will be big. Like, it's big enough for me, and it's nice if I have this. I need to put my cabinets for my clothes and all that kind of stuff, so it will be here. It's still nice if I have like at least one of these, you know, like here to lounge. And yeah, the tiles here in the room as well has been finished. It's pretty much the same tiles as in the living room and the kitchen as well. And next we have here the queen size bed. So I decided to get the steel frame. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please do so. I am so active there. I did a poll about which one is better. Is it bamboo or steel? And a lot of you guys actually chose bamboo. That's because it is anti-termites, and bamboo has the possibility to have termites. So for this, this will last, hopefully. So I got this in Metro as well. Actually, all of the stuff that I got are from Metro because they were having a sale, and yeah, I love sale. Okay, so I got this. This is a queen size bed. It's color white. And if you guys wanna check, or if you guys are interested to see how was it being assembled, we did not hire an assembler for this because you need to pay them. So we got some people like my brother-in-law, Tom was there, and my cousin. They were trying to assemble it. There were a lot of people trying to assemble it because it's a lot of screw to do. It was quite crazy. If you guys want to watch that, it's in Tom and Meljean's channel as well. So yeah, we have this, and also I got the queen size foam as well. So I think this is like 4-inch. It's not too thick, but it's just all right. I got it in Mandawi foam, and it was about, how much was it? Like 4,000, right? 4,500 peso, and then the bed frame is about 4,700 pesos. So yeah, so I got like the pillows in there. I got this brown blanket from Mandawi foam as well, and this bed protector. I was expecting it is a bed sheet, but it is not. It's a bed protector, so I still need to get a bed sheet. That's pretty much it, guys. So last night, me, Tom, and Vingle, and some of the kids were sleeping here. Me and Tom was in the bed. Vingle was on the other foam, and then these two sofa set were being attached to each other, and then 2 kids were sleeping here. So it feels like we had kids. Last night it was crazy, but it was fun. Okay, yes guys, so pretty much that's gonna be the current progress of the house. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the total progress of the house, to be honest, and I cannot wait for this to be finished Tomorrow is going to be the house blessing. We already have a priest, and the schedule will be at 2 p.m. I have invited some of my friends from the city, and they are also coming here. Quite excited for this to be finished, honestly, and I'm gonna give you guys a house tour. I know that a lot of you guys are asking me when will be the house tour, and also how much did I really spend for this house. I know I had initially shared it to you guys that my budget for this house is about 150,000 peso, or 3,000 US dollars. And I've shared also that I've exceeded that already with the house not being finished. And I know that's expected. Tom has told me or gave me a heads up about everything will cost more than what it is. And yes, indeed. Tomorrow will be house blessing. So excited. We're going to be busy the next few hours. We're going to try to actually prepare some balloons kind of stuff. Yesterday, we also tried to pick which lechon or pig. We went to a piggery. We picked which pig are we going to be cooking for tomorrow. I'm only going to be having lechon, one lechon for tomorrow, and that's pretty much it because it's just easier. It's convenient. If you are going to cook different kinds of food, it's just a lot of work to do, a lot of ingredients, and it costs so much. So I just decided to get one lechon, one off. It's like a one-off food for everyone. And we're also gonna make puso. It's a hanging rice, and it's a lot easier as well. I got the plates, disposable plates, and disposable cups, spoon and fork, so that everything will be just go smoothly. And yeah, I am so excited. It is almost finished. I think we're almost at 90% finished of the house. We just need to paint the back, work with the terrace and the toilet, and that's it. Well, I need to, there's a lot of things I need to buy, and I'm so broke. I know. I'll just pretty much, try to buy little bits and pieces of like some of the decoration. I need to buy some curtains. I need to buy a bed sheet. I already got washing machine in there. I need to buy some of the kitchenware. Like literally, I'm starting from scratch. I need to buy like the littlest of things like about the house. It is freaking crazy. But yeah, I'm quite excited. This is my house, and I cannot believe I have a house. Also, we are vlogging today about the preparation of the house blessing. You can watch that in Tom and Melji. And by the way, Tom will have a video about this house when it was being built from nothing until what it is now. So that's very exciting. And to be honest, when I was watching it, it blew my mind away how it actually happen, how I don't know, I'm out of words. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you are as excited as me finishing this house. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I want to thank the people who supported me for this, and the people who sent gifts through PayPal. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I am going to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.